Hi, my name is Dr. Jennifer Alicia Castillo, and I will be discussing the lesson entitled Developing Critical Thinkers for the 21st Century. Developing critical thinking skills in the classroom is not an easy task that could be done in a day or two. It takes practice and dedication. Let's begin by defining what is critical thinking. Critical thinking is the ability to think clearly in an authentic and rational way that leads to reflexive and independent thinking. There are 6 stages in the development of critical thinkers. The first one is the unreflective thinker. This thinker is unaware of significant problems in the thinking process. The next one is known as the challenge thinker. This one is aware of thinking problems, while the beginning thinker tries to improve but without regular practice. On the other hand, the practicing thinker recognizes the need of regular practice. Our goal should be to have advanced and mastered thinkers in our classrooms, both of them advanced by practicing and thinking critically, becoming a second nature. The following 6 skills are necessary to develop critical thinking: interpretation, analysis, evaluation, inference, explanation, and self-regulation. We will talk about all of them in detail in the next video. There are many different things an educator can do in the classroom to develop critical thinking skills. In the following 2 slides, I am going to provide some valuable ideas. First of all, the educator needs to explain the concepts as much as possible in the context in which they will be used. Also, design all the activities and assignments, including readings, so students have to think about the way to address them. Develop strategies to promote reading, writing, oral communication, and listening comprehension. The educator needs to ask the shy students or those who do not raise their hand. Finally, the educator should divide a class in smaller groups frequently. Some other valuable ideas are: ask students to write in class frequently, talk less so your students can think more, focus on teaching students how to read the text and not just to read the text. Regularly question your students using the Socratic way, and use as frequently as you can concrete examples to illustrate concepts that are abstract. So, what does education in critical thinking imply? It implies that the educator needs to promote activities that help the students to be creative. Also, students need to be involved in debates and in the analysis of issues, real-life situations, and problems. Finally, a space for students to reflect is needed in the classroom. Remember, education is not the learning of facts, but the training of the mind to think. Let's train our students to think. I hope to see you in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe.